So what is the orange light or orange dot on the iPhone? And let's explain that. If it's your first time on the Foxtecc channel, become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you're not going to miss anything important. So the orange dot is going to appear likely at the top of the screen. It might be in the dynamic island or in other places. And the short answer is that it's a privacy indicator letting you know that some service is using your microphone currently. So, for example, if you start like a voice memo recording, you're going to notice that it is right there at the top. So, you will be able to just go there and just start listening to or like recording your voice memos, and the dot is automatically there. The thing is that you can also go to the control center and check out which apps have been recently able to access your microphone, and you'll be able to see them right there. But that's the whole point. There isn't like a way to turn it off unless you stop using the microphone, either on the app level or you just stop using it altogether. So that is what you need to know about it. Let me know what you think. In case you have any questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming explanations and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.